Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is a beautiful morning and I'm feeling really good, and I want to make tons of videos today, and so you'll be getting videos back to back this week. I have a bit of free time on my hand, and so I'm feeling great and I want to share some of these things with you guys. Okay, and so it's morning and I just got out of bed. I'm still in my PJs. I haven't done anything. I just decided to make this video because the lighting is very okay. I want to review, I know I don't think I've reviewed a lot of face creams on my channel, but I want to review a face cream. But before I get into that, I remember I still have a lot of you asking for my Joy White review. Don't worry, you get it. I did take a break because I wasn't as consistent as I was, and so it might take me longer to give my review. I want to give you guys review after using a long term, like I said, 6 months before I give you guys my review, because I don't want to come out with half-baked reviews. I want to be very thorough. Okay. And so when I made that video, I talked about breakouts on my forehead, and so I just want to give you guys quick updates on that. I have been fighting this since I think I made that video August or September, and this is November, and so I'm trying to do it in the most in the nicest way I can and safest way actually. And so I have done a lot of things, and so I think I'm in the best place to tell you guys what to use and what not to use. Okay. First things first, I have been using this face cleanser. I've been using this face cleanser and my toner. I haven't shared that video of that toner on my channel just yet because I'm still working on it, but I will be sharing a video of that toner. It's an all natural toner. It contains niacinamide. It contains some water soluble actives, and so it's been a perfect toner for my face. I will probably make that video and share with you guys, but I also use this face cleanser. So when I cleanse my face, I go ahead to tone. I made a video. If you haven't seen the video, I'll link it up here so you guys can watch that video. And then when I finish that, I use this face cream. Just trying to get it out. Now, a lot of people have been talking about this face cream. This is the Nandinola face cream. This is the orange one. I think there's the blue one. This is the orange one. This is the one for oily skin. And so this is what I use. You can pro-mix this face cream, but I've been using it alone, and I'll get into it. Okay, so it's the Nadinola face cream fades dark spots for a more even skin tone. It contains hydroquinone at 2% and oxalate 3%, which is a sunscreen. And it says it gradually fades skin discoloration such as age spots, freckles, liver spot, dark areas that can occur. Basically, it is a face cream for correction. Okay. I've been watching some videos, people talk about the smell and all of that. It smells okay to me. Maybe it's this one I bought, but it smells okay to me. It's a lot of products. I think I got this for 5,000 or 5,500. It's Abuja price, but it's a very good fade cream. This Nadinola, it has two types. This is one for oily skin. I think they have the one for other skin types, but I got this one for oily skin. How I use this is after I use my toner and I cleanse my face, I go ahead to apply this directly on the spot areas. I don't use it all over my face. I use it only on the areas that I have spots, which has majorly been my forehead, so it's been easy for me. Or ignore this one. These ones are fresh. I just see your word. I had yogurt and almond nuts, and apparently I have an allergy for nuts, so but I just can't help it. I mean, if I can find how to correct it, I always eat what I can, right? And so using this as a fade cream, like I said, you can pro-mix this if you want to use it as a face cream, but I use it for my spots directly, and it's been doing great for me. It is a lot of products. It will last you a long time. This is it, so that you can see I haven't even used quite an amount of it. This is just it. I haven't used a lot, and I've been using it for months. Now this kind of face cream will bleach your face, and so that's why I'm using it on specific areas. I don't use it all over my face, because if you use this all over your face, you might notice like sparse white hair, dark hair, white hair, dark hair, and I'm sure you don't want that. And I don't use this every single day. I use it like 2-3 times in a week, because I don't want that sparseness. Like this place is brighter than this place, so I used it every 2 or other 3 days in a week. That's how I use it. Then I don't know if I want to make this video mainly about Nadinola. Probably not. So this might be a longer video. I posted this tube on my channel. A lot of people wanted review on this tube, so I'll get into that. So when I finish using the Nadinola, I leave it for a couple of minutes, 10 minutes. Most times the product already absorbed into your skin. That's why it's good for you to cleanse and tone to prepare your skin for what you're applying. That way it works better. So when I do that, I then go ahead to wash my face and I apply my face cream. So this is my face cream. This is the face cream that I've been using. It is pre-mixed, and I'll tell you what I used, and then I'll make a separate video on how I made this cream. Okay, so another face cream I want to talk to you guys today about is the Extreme White face cream. There are a lot of reviews on this face cream, so it's probably not new to a lot of you, but since you want to know more about it, I'm gonna tell you. So this is the Extreme White Intense Toning Treatment Spot Removing Night Cream with carrot oil and argan oil. Okay, this cream has the day cream and it has the night cream. So the one I got is the night cream. Okay, so the night cream, there's day and night. I got the night cream because I mostly use my face creams at night, and I use my vitamin C serum in the daytime. So I'll talk to you guys about my vitamin C serum in another video. So this contains carrot oil and argan oil. Of course, it's a whitening cream. It's also for spots. It's not, I don't know if it's so effective for spots, but it is good for sunburn. Okay, let me just quickly read. Its ingredients are, they all listed here: natural ingredients, carrot oil, mulberry extract, squalene, which is very good for the skin, argan oil, which is also very good for the skin, and contains salicylic acid, which is a great BHA for skin brightening and correct like acne and pigmentation. Okay, and so it says to use every evening after cleansing. Apply directly onto spots. Now, a lot of people, when using products, tend to overlook the packaging, the things that are written on the packaging, and just go ahead to do whatever it is they want to do because somebody said. Sometimes it's very important that you read, because this is a guide on how to use this product. Okay, just because someone says read it all over your face doesn't mean that you are oblivious to the fact that you can actually read, for yourself. Okay, and so this face cream is strictly for nights. Don't buy the night cream I use during the daytime. Okay, it will be worse for you. I can tell you clearly that this face cream definitely clears sunburn. Okay, it's definitely clears sunburn. This is a fact about this face cream. Okay, doesn't mean you should be oblivious to the fact that you should be using sunscreen during the daytime, but if by any chance you get sunburnt, you want to grab this for yourself. Okay, and it's also a brightening face cream. Now, you can choose to use this face cream alone and still get good effect. You can, in my case, choose to pro-mix it. Okay, I'll show you guys how I pro-mix. I'm just trying to open it so you can see what it's like. So this is how it is inside. It's a very good face cream. I think I got this face cream for about 3,000 or thereabouts. It's a very, very good face cream. It's also for spots, but I can guarantee that it helps for sunburn. Okay, and so maybe it does work for spots, but I wasn't using it specifically for spots. I was using this for spots. And so this is the Extreme White face cream set. This is yellow content. As you can see, I've taken out of it. So I'm going to get into how I premix this so that this video is not too long. So what I did was, like I said, I'm going to make a separate video, but these are 2 key ingredients that I use. So that is all about this extreme white face cream, the Feah face cream. This is the original package. You might see other types now. I think they now know that they are a big brand, so they've changed their packaging. But me, anyway, I see this one, I'm still going to buy it because this is the one that I am used to, and this is the one that I know. So this is the Feah Whitening face cream. This light. Okay. Now it's a tube. It's in tube form. But it's not like other tubes. It's like a face cream, but it's just in tube form. This is it. It's a tube, okay? So this is the Feah Whitening Beauty Cream, the effective cosmetic treatment. It is non-bruising whitening cream which lightens the skin and leaves you radiant and moistened. That leaves you radiant and moistened. Its active ingredients help to clear black spots, blackhead, blemishes, etc., etc. You can apply both on face and neck. It contains a lot of very rich ingredients. I would have read out, but you'll be bored by now. But what I like about this is that it contains sunflower seed extract. It contains and on on the cyclinol-phenolene. It's a whitening agent, and it has niacinamide as well. It's generally very good cream. It is a cream. It's just in tube form, okay? And so you can also use this alone as a face cream, but sometimes I would say mix some of these things because you might not really get that nice effect when you use them alone, right? And so it contains a lot of good ingredients. It is a face cream in tube form, okay? The only thing about this thing is that it leaves like white after like residue, so you want to take small and use. And I'm guessing maybe the white is, it probably has some sort of sunscreen in it. Let me look if it has titanium dioxide. Yes, it has titanium dioxide, which is used in sunscreens. So I guess that's where that white residue comes from. So if you want to use it sparingly and put in maybe like a concentrate or an oil to dilute that whiteness that comes from it. But it's also very good for sunburn and it's good for brightening the face. So I now mix these two together to use as a face cream. Of course, I mixed other things. I will make a video on the other things I mixed this with, but that is how I mixed it and I got this. This color you're seeing is from my Vampire Plus concentrate, which I will definitely show you guys how I used it. But that is that for me on an update on the breakout on my forehead. As you can see, I can run my hands through it. It's now very smooth, no more bumps, just the rest of the spots, which is browning up and definitely going to fade out because that's how I want it to be. And the Nandinola face cream, extreme white face cream, the Feah tube, and my cleanser. Okay, so yeah, that's the quick update. Expect lots and lots and lots and lots of videos from me, and I'm thinking, what can I do for my subscribers in December? We'll talk about it more in another video. All right, thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to make this very quick video this morning because I was feeling good and the lighting was perfect. All right, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.